Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Ex-Governor Godwin Obaseki'S aide urged Edo's assembly to reinstate suspended local government chairman. Says what the governor is doing is not acceptable. Now, in case you are not aware, the governor of Edo State is being alleged that is using councillors to impeach, the local government chairman because he's not happy with them, and most of them came in as a result of Obaseki, and most of them are still loyal to Obaseki. They are not really loyal to him. So he wants to remove them. At the very first instance, he asked them to, bring in this account statement and, what's not. And at the end, right now, see what's going on. Things have become, things have become more than you can imagine. Everybody's watching, and we are trying to really understand what's going on. And the truth of it is, we know. So whatever is going on now, we almost really consider, the next line of action. So at the end of the day, there is really good opportunity for real transformation. It is a good time to be alive. Obaseki, right from where he is still sending messages to the House of Assembly, pleading with them that the local government chairman has not done anything. They should be reinstated. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Ex-Governor Godwin Obaseki urged Edo Assembly to reinstate suspended local government chairman. Former aide to ex-Governor Godwin Obaseki, Benjamin Ato, has urged the Edo State House of Assembly to reinstate suspended chairman of the state in the 18 local government council. According to a report from Vanguard, in a statement, Ato emphasized the need to uphold the rule of law by adhering to the Supreme Court ruling which grant autonomy to local government chairman. He commended Speaker Blessing for withdrawing the legal battle with the acting councillor chairman and demanding a written apology from them, calling it a positive move, but asked that they reinstate the chairman. Ato appealed to the assembly to act with integrity and prioritize public interest over political agenda. He insisted that the suspension of the council chairman was illegal and should be revoked to allow them to continue serving their communities. He warned against political motivated actions, highlighting that political dynamics often changes and today's rivalry could become tomorrow's ally. Obaseki has criticizing Governor Obaseki for what has happened. Local government being loyal to him is not what should be the governor's problem. Making sure that they are serving their people accordingly should be the focus. He also noted that despite intervention from the Attorney General of the Federation and multiple court ruling, the governor has not reinstated the local chairman. He urged that this could get worsened and could affect the grassroots level of development, and so the chairman must be reinstated to continue for continuous progress in those areas and at all levels. Ato praises the judiciary for its effort in practically electing officers from unjust removal and calling on the House of Assembly to honor the Supreme Court ruling. He urged lawmakers to reinstate the elected chairman in accordance with constitutional provision, ensuring governance at the local level remaining lawful and effective. So my people, this is exactly what is going on right now. Everyone is wondering what the next lines of actions are. We just need to ensure that things are done properly. Okay, we just need to ensure that things are done properly. Whether you like it or not, there must be change. Whatever is going on now has come to really show us that at the end of the day, people want to get to the bottom of it and understand all that is going on. The days upon us are clear. People have continued to, to speak out in terms of what they feel, and whether you like it or not, everybody wants the truth. Everybody wants the truth. Okay? Everybody wants the truth so that nobody is left behind. Okay? So the local government chairman, they've not done anything that should keep them, because you don't like their face or because you want them to act in a certain way. It does not mean that they now have to act that way, that they must keep to your terms and conditions, otherwise they will not have your blessing. No. In fact, there is a court ruling that I've already said that they have financial autonomy. Okay, and so this financial autonomy must be really, 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 adhered to. The Attorney General has sent message to the governor. However, the governor is not responding, and you guess what? There is no medium to really ensure that things are done decently and in order properly, and that people are following the law. Those mediums are not really there. Those mediums are sincerely, truly not really there. We need to begin to get past these things so that at the end of the day, we can begin to move forward and make real tenable progress that will affect us all positively. If we continue to joke around and pretend that we can't see what is really happening right in front of us, you'll be surprised that things will be worse off. So the days upon us are so critical, it's so important that every one of us must rise up to the occasion and ensure that we do everything, humanly speaking, possible to bring us to the place where we need to be. If we continue to lie and just, pretend that we can't see all of this going on, then there is serious problem, real serious problem, you see. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Everyone has got, to become very, very concerned and ensuring that, things, those things we've talked about becomes the real point of concern so that the country can move forward. Local governments have their own financial autonomy. They are an arm of government, and they need to stand, they need to stand in the right place for them to get what is needed. Okay? So please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now.